it is looking like our identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What is that identity? A plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. This is the identity. First of all, what to do? You have to convert this in terms of identity. See here, 27x cube, so I can write here 3x. Then here y, because y cube here is z cube, you can write z. Then write this 3x, you write here 3x. This y, you write here y. This is your z. Okay. This is in terms of this a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Then a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc and minus c. See, you have to put only values a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus a b minus b c. B is this, c is this, and c a. At last you have to simplify to get the answer. 3x plus y plus z. This is 3x square. This will be 9x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then you see. This is minus 3xy minus 3xy minus yz minus 3z. This is your yes. Hello students, now see the question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay. What is the solution? See, what we have given, you have given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Now what I am going to do, I am sending z this side, this will become minus z. Okay, now what to do, I am taking cube both sides, cubing both sides. So power 3 is here and power 3 is here. Why I am taking cube? Because in C, LHS it is given to you cubic term. So what is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Okay, and here minus z cube. You can have to write minus z cube. Then what will come? A cube, it means x cube plus y cube, 3xy, x plus y. Then see what will come? X cube plus y cube plus 3xy. See what is x plus y? X plus y is what? Minus z. By first it is minus z. This is your minus z. And here minus z. Okay. X cube plus y cube minus z cube and come with this side, then plus z cube. Minus 3xyz is equal to 0. And last is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is the answer. Yes. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of. Okay, now what is given? See, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Okay, it is looking like if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. How is that so? How can we get, we have to use this formula. Just we have to think minus 12 plus 7. This is minus 5 and minus 5 plus 5 is coming 0. It means you have to use this formula. Okay. It means very clear, x is minus 12, y is 7 and z is 5. Okay. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. 3 is here 3, what is x? This clearly coming 0. X is what? Minus 12. Then 7. Then 5. 12 threes are 36 into 35. Minus 1260. This is your. Now see the second one. 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. You have to judge. What you have to judge? Here is 28 and here is minus 28. It will become 0. It means you have to use this formula. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Never forget 3. This is 3xyz. Okay. Now what is x? X is 28. What is y? Y is 15. What is z? Z is minus 13. Again you have to write. Check the sum. 28 minus 15 minus 13. You can write 28 minus 28. This will become 0. Now this formula is applicable. X cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. See here. 3x is your 28. This is minus 15 and this is minus 13. Minus minus, this is plus, and when you multiply it you will get 16380. This is your answer.